Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Friba here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through making this nice pattern here. This is double-sided open work. It's good for summertime knitting ideas, for spring and fall also you can use this stitch. I prepared this swatch with very fine yarn and 3mm needles. Here I prepared with a little thicker yarn, crushable, and this is the 3.5mm needles I used. And this one was done with 4.5mm needles, the same kind of yarn. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna work with this fine yarn and 3.5mm needles. To get this pattern, you need to cast on a multiple of 4 plus 3, and it's easy, just one row repeat. You're gonna repeat one row over and over to get this pattern. Here I have prepared 15 stitches, 4, 4, 4, and 3. And we're gonna start right from the cast on edge. I'm gonna show the English style for first, and I am gonna finish this row and then I will work one row with Continental style to show both styles with this pattern. For the edge stitches, for the first stitch at the beginning of the at the start after the cast on, I'm gonna knit this stitch. For the following rows I will pick it up. It means I'm not gonna knit it, I will slip to right needle. The last stitch always will be a knit stitch. You can do purl too. Let's start with the first stitch, the edge stitch here. I'm gonna knit it. And for this pattern, you need to work through the back loops. We're gonna work these 4 stitches. The first stitch will be just simple knit stitch. Now, before working these 3 stitches, we're gonna make one wrap around the needle this way. We're gonna bring the yarn from back to the front over a needle and just wrap one around the needle. Then we're gonna work these 3 stitches together. Make your loop very long, big. Don't try to pull the yarn. Before letting these 3 stitches go off the needle, go back to the same stitches, only 2 of them this time, the first 2 stitches, and knit one more time here. Again, make very long stitches here, then drop these 3 legs over here. We created 4 stitches out of the last 4 stitches, and this is the pattern we worked. So this is the repeat you're gonna repeat for this pattern. For the next 4 stitches, we're gonna repeat one more time. The first stitch will be knit stitch. Then you wrap the yarn around the needle, then knit 3 together, then go back to the first 2 stitches and knit one more time. Now drop these 3 stitches, and we did one more repeat here, and the last one here, knit 1, wrap the yarn around needle, knit 3, go back and knit 2. Make sure to have the very large loops. Don't pull the yarn, make them large. Okay, and then drop. Now we finished 3 repeats. The last 2 stitches will be knit stitches. You can work this stitch whatever way you want. This is the edge stitch. So it is the repeat for this pattern. I'm gonna repeat the same steps with holding the yarn on my right hand. It means working the continental style. So I'm gonna grab the slip the first stitch. This is the edge stitch. And then you're gonna see the order of stitches coming, 3 stitches plus one kind of yarn over. We're gonna knit this first stitch, just simple knit stitch, then wrap the yarn around the needle this way. One more time, I'm gonna show it's kind of going this needle under the yarn and just wrapping it around the needle. Now keep this one here with your finger and knit 3 stitches together. Hold the yarn a little bit and then go back to the first 2 stitches and knit one more time. Then drop everything, those 3. And that's it. We're gonna repeat one more time here. Knit 1, wrap the yarn, knit 3 together, knit 2 together, and drop the legs. And last repeat here, knit 1, wrap the yarn, and knit 3, knit 2. And the last 2 stitches will be knit stitches. So you're gonna repeat this row over and over, and you're gonna get this pattern here. I'm gonna work one more time here with this swatch that I had from before. Let's do English style first. I will grab my slip. I will slip the edge stitch, then knit 1, then wrap the yarn around needle, knit 3, knit 2, and drop those legs. And this is how you get this pattern. One more time with the continental holding. These are the 4 stitches here. Knit 1, wrap the yarn, knit 3, and knit 2. Make sure to make large loops. And this is the pattern you get for this stitch. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and try it in your next project. If you have any questions, I will be glad to answer them. Thank you and have a good day.